नाम श्रेष्ठं मनुमपि शचीपुत्रमत्र स्वरूपम् रूपं तस्याग्रयुरि पुरीं मातरिं गोष्ठवाटिं राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवासं प्राप्तो यस्य प्रथितकृपया श्रीगुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिशे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो भक्त्या विहीनाय अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदो तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे त्वं न मां चरणन्तिके। So I have explained first sloka of Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto. Also third sloka. First sloka was Janamadasya jatah annayadi tartasya abhikyo saratatene brahmrida jad kavai muhyanti jat surya तेजो वारि मदांग यथा विनिमयो जत्र त्रिसर्गो अमृषात् धामना स्वेन निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परमधीमहि। Here this is Mangalacharan of Srimad Bhagavatam. Whole Srimad Bhagavat, this sloka covers whole Srimad Bhagavat. I think that the whole Srimad Bhagavat, rest Bhagavat, is explanation of this one sloka. Everything, like a seed, is in this. All the pastimes of Krishna and his devotees are in this. I explained yesterday something, but I'm still telling something more. So I told that Janmadasya Jatah. From Krishna, whole creation has come. Also, Adi Ras, Madhur Ras has been come from Radha and Krishna together. So Radha and Krishna both are Satyam Parama Dhimahi. Dhimahi means meditate. That Krishna and Radha should come in my heart. No? Who are they? Satyam, Parama Satyam Dhimahi. I meditate them. That they should come and they should manifest themselves as they are in my heart. How they are? I told about Anvay and Vyatirek. Same thing, Anvay and Vyatirek. Only some difference of words only. I remember something that some devotees are there who are telling that Narayan Maharaj is telling some different thing from our Gurudev Srila Prabhupada. I admit this. I am telling some different. What different? He told that you should speak is truth. I told that you should not tell lie. Certainly there is a very big difference. He told that you should utter Krishna. I am telling that you should utter Krishna, being pure, having relation with Krishna, giving up worldly attachments, all kinds of aparas, offenses and attachment. Very big difference, you see. So many words I am telling and he is telling only one. He is telling that you should drink water. I am telling that you should not take dirty water, drink pure water. So much difference. So I think that no difference at all. I can tell very boldly and strongly that there were about 100 sannyasis of Swamiji. But I think that most of them have gone in worldly life. They were very learned persons. I challenge them all that what Swamiji was telling, they are telling same thing in same word. They cannot. Anyone cannot tell. The difference of word will be there. So we should look after interior motive. What is the object of his telling and object of others? Rupa Goswami has told in some words in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Ujjwal Linmani, you know. Then why Jiva Goswami and Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has explained in so many words? Why? There are some difference, but not difference. To illuminate a thing, they are telling in so many words, but the object and the internally Krishna love is there, one thing. We know that there is some difference of words between Baldev Vidyabhushan and Jiva Goswami in a philosophy, Vaishnava philosophy, so much. These are not differences. These are called Vaishistya. Characteristics.
Speciality.
Eh?
Speciality. Speciality.
A speciality, this is called. Same thing. So anyone cannot tell like this that we are, I am telling different and he is telling different. There must be some difference of words. So no harm. So here, Anvaya and Vyatirek, same thing is being told in what? Anvaya.
Direct and indirect.
Direct and indirect. Don't tell lie and tell truth. Same thing. Here, prem has been divided into two. If there is no separation mood, no pleasure of meeting. So, the separation mood adds the happiness of meeting. So, both they are seen as a different thing, but actually they are one thing. Two sides of same prem. So, if there is no separation mood, then this meeting will be not of high class. Some devotees in Vrindavan of Nimbark Sampradaya or other Sampradaya, Radha Vallavi Sampradaya, they always want to meet Krishna, always with him, no separation mood. But it is absurd. Srimad Bhagavat does not tell like this. In Srimad Bhagavat we see so many things like Venu Geet, Gopi Geet, Bhramar Geet, or all Jugal Geet.
Pranay Geet.
These are all in separation moods. Gopis are abusing Krishna, telling him dhurta, lampat and so many things. Krishna wants, and Krishna came in the shape of bumblebee to hear all these things. And he admitted that I heard everything. And I became pleased. Brahma cannot please me by doing prayers and by faith, stuti, shamgan and all. But gopis abusing to me pleases me very much, so much. So this is Anvaya and Vyatirek. In Srimad Bhagavat both has been told. Artheshu abhikyah. Brahma obeys the order of Krishna and he creates this universe, Brahmand. But actually, he cannot do. He only दो वस्तुओं को जोड़ता है. He joins the parts of anything. All parts have been made in any company. And in India we have Hind Motor in Calcutta. She exports parts from America, England, so many parts, engine from there, some parts from here, some parts there, and they join it and they make motor. Actually they are not doing so, only they are connecting some parts. So Brahma is doing like that, not creating. Only he joins the parts. He cannot do, an ant he cannot make. Nothing he can get. Even any soul he cannot make. So Artheshu Abhigya, only Krishna, Supreme Personality of Krishna, is powerful to do anything. And he is free, quite free. Abhigya Swarat. Anyone cannot control Krishna. Why Krishna made this? Why Krishna made me like conditioned soul? And someone he made liberated soul. Why? Because he wished. Why he should not do? Why he should not do? He must do like this. He has created so many things, He has created also like this. You cannot imagine. Why Krishna managed to have any association for anyone and not for other. No no facility. Why? Actually Krishna does not do. He is so merciful. So in Shastra it has been told that if Vaishnava is doing kripa, mercy to any Vaishnava, it is not Krishna who does it, but that Vaishnava, Madhyamadikari. If we tell that why Krishna is merciful to that person, why not to others? He gave Putana, he made Putana his mother in Golok, like mother. Dhatri Uchit Gati. Why? Why he could not give Agasur, Bakasur and all other? To them he gave only liberation. But not like Putana. Why? Agasur has not done anything. Why Krishna gave him salvation? Only the relation of Putana was there. That he made his shape like a mother. And Krishna did it. Ram cannot do, Nrsimhadev cannot do, anyone cannot do. So Krishna is so merciful. If Tene Brahma Hridaya Ada Kavaye. Tene Brahma Hridaya. He gave knowledge of Chaturshloki Bhagavad to Brahma. And thus he gave him the knowledge who is Krishna, who is Jeev, who is Brahma, what is Maya, what is Yog Maya, what is called Bhakti. He gave everything. And he manifested Vedas in the heart of Brahma. Tene Brahma Hridaya. Also the meaning is another also. What? Tene Brahma Hridaya Ad Kavi. Ad Kavi is Sukdev Goswami. Tene Brahma. What? Brahma Rasa. Rasa Brahma. That's Srimad Bhagavat. In the heart of Adi Kavi is Sukdev Goswami. So, Rasa Brahma he manifested in the heart of Sukdev Goswami. That is, he was able to tell all these pastimes in very good way. Like nectar. Otherwise he was not able to tell all this Krishna Katha. Tene Brahma Hridaya Ad Kavaye. Tene Rasa Brahma in the heart of Rupa Goswami, and he was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is why he has made Ujjwal Nilmani Bhakti Rasami Sindhu. And by reading these books, by hearing these books, anyone can test Srimad Bhagavat, otherwise not. Anyone can't be qualified to understand Srimad Bhagavat without the help of Rupa Goswami's book. So many persons have made tika, commentary on Srimad Bhagavat. But it was not so good as Srila Sanatana Goswami did, Srila Jiva Goswami did, Srila Chakrabarti Thakur did. So, it is due to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? Because he is Srimati Radhika and Krishna both. Krishna has taken the shape and beauty of Krishna, golden collar of Srimati Radhika, both, and then they have manifested this ocean of rasa in the heart of Adi Kavi Rupa Goswami. You can question how he is Adi Kavi. Only 400 some years or 500 years before Rupa Goswami is here. He was in this world. How he can be the first Kavi? Brahma, we can tell Brahma is first Kavi. But I know that he is more superior than Brahma. He can teach Brahma 100 and lakhs births. He is more superior. Because he is the associate of Krishna himself and Radhika, Rup Manjari. And also the associates of Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Brahma cannot go so high. Even Lalita Vishakha, they cannot enter in a very secret place where Radha and Krishna is playing. But for Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, it is very easy to serve at that time also. Fanning, giving chamar. Where they are doing like this, they will, Rup Manjari, come on and give me fan. If Rup Manjari is there, Srimati Radhika is in Kunj, she can tell, Krishna, don't come. Or Swaminiji don't want. So you should be out of this Kunj. She can do like this. So Brahma cannot touch the lotus dust of Rup Manjari. So it is with Siddhant, bona fide Siddhant, that Adi Kavi is Rupa Goswami. No harm. So this meaning is more appropriate. Tene Brahma Hridaya, how to serve Krishna in conjugal. From beginning, Anya Abhilashita Sunyam, from this slope, and to end of Ujjwal Linmani. Ujjwal Linmani and Bhakti Rasami Sindhu are one book. Only first part, second part. No two books. So if you will not follow Rupa Goswami, Bhakti Rasami Sindhu and all this, you cannot understand ABCD of prem and love, how to serve Krishna. One day you will have to go through, you will have to hear all these things. Someone, I was reading today the Nectar of Instructions. On 8th slok, I saw something and became very pleased, became very happy. He is telling Rupanuga there. What is Rupanuga? How to, our MJF should be Rupanuga. Bhajan. He has told everything there.
Who?
Swamiji explained. I will bring tomorrow, if I am having some time in morning class for 15 minutes. I will tell you to read that thing. Very, very. He has told everything what I have never told. He has told so many things, secret things. He has told 5 stages. Shravan Dasha, Varan Dasha, Smarana Dasha, Bhavapan Dasha, and Sampatti Dasha. You know all these things? You are telling that, Narayan Maharaj is telling different from Swamiji. But I think that I have not told all these things that Swamiji has especially told. And if you are not doing, he has told for neophyte devotees, not for all this thing. For new devotees. Shravan Dasas must be. If there is no Shravan Dasa, how you can burn? How you can do kirtan? How you can meditate? You cannot do anything. So it has been told in Bhakti Rasami Sindhu. He was in the line of Rupa Goswami, I have told you. And if you will read the explanation of first slok from Swamiji. We will see that what I am telling, he has written more clearly all these things. I have no language to explain, but he was so much learned. So much learned. So he can explain. He had explained all things. He had never warned anyone that you should not hear the name of Raga Nuga. He has told that you should practice, not hear only this word. Don't be nervous. And that is why those who are not hearing these words, no testing bhakti, and they are going down. Again, where they are. This is the reason. Because they are not testing anything better than what they have in beginning. Bhakti is like a current. It must flow. If there is no flow, no advancement. The water will be rotten. So, if there is no taste in chanting, remembering, meditating, how we can advance? And that is why they are not proceeding towards this, and they are falling down. They are telling that, oh, Narayan Maharaj is Sahajiya. But I have not fallen. But why they are falling all? If I am Sahajiya, I should not tell all these things. I am telling Rupanuga, Ragatmik Bhakti and all other things. I am telling Krishna Katha so sweetly, but I am not falling down. What I was about 60 years before, I am so much testing and I am more happy.
You are sitting up. How you can follow?
Then, Adi kabaye mut yanti jat suraya tejo bar midang jatha brimayo jatati sorgo amrisha. Tejo bari mridang. In this world we are seeing three things. Earth, water and fire. Fire is the example of Chit Shakti. No? Fire is not seen everywhere, but anything rubbed, then fire comes. Like friction. If you will give a stone on another any stone, then it will come fire. There are two woods, mix them like this, fire will come. So by bhajan sadhan, this Chit Shakti is realized. This prem of Krishna prem is realized. Without sadhan we cannot see. The soul is also like this. Soul is here, everywhere. But we cannot realize without sadhan. So this is the example of Chit Shakti, fire, tejo. Vari, water. Water has two conditions. If it is too cold, then it
Ice.
becomes ice. And if it is in its natural state, then liquid. If souls are in natural states, serving Krishna, they are liberated. Always serving Krishna. And if by any cold, so much cold, then they will become like ice.
Hard.
So, if you are forgetting Krishna, going very far away from Krishna, far away means forgetting Him, then our nature will be changed, and then we will be liberated in conditioned soul. So much attraction for worldly things. In pure Atma, so only attraction for Krishna is there, only service is there. But now we cannot be without what? क्या कर अटैचमेंट में जब इस कामुकता
lusty
हाँ,
attachment.
some person like in this, I cannot be without loss, like क्या? Lust. I should must be with lady or husband. But in pure state, only the charm, only the attraction of Krishna. Here only means attraction for Krishna and his associates, all. Worshipable is only Radha and Krishna both. So there are two conditions of soul. It by example of water. Water has sometimes condensed, sometimes natural way. And mridang, this earth, it can shape, we can shape in any way, pot, like dogs, hogs, cows, we can make from earth. So this body, creepers and animals and all things like this, no difference at all in anything. But there is also very deep meaning. Tejo bhari mridang yatra vinamaya. Here tej, what is the meaning of tej? Come to Brahma Gayatri. Tat savitur varandam vargah devasya. Varga devasya means Bharga means tej there also. Here Bharga means power, attribute. Who is he? Who is she? Srimati Radhika herself. If you are not worshipping Srimati Radhika as a power of Krishna, you cannot realize anything, anything. Whole world has been created by Srimati Radhika, not by Krishna. Not by Krishna. How? Krishna only wishes, and all actions, cultivations comes from Srimati Radhika, actually. We see that Krishna has lifted Govardhan, but actually Krishna has not lifted. Who lifted? By left side of Krishna. Left hand, and in left hand, this left, most left. So Srimati Radhika is always in the left of Krishna. So see, only Krishna wished, but all actions, cultivations, everything is from Srimati Radhika. So here tejo var mridam yatra vinmayo trisargo amrisha. This world seems like true, but this world is not true. And we realize it true, and that is why we are attached in this worldly thing. But if we know that we are part and parcel of Krishna, we are eternal servant, by the mercy of any realized soul, then we will have no attachment on this. Like Sukadeva Goswami, Narada Rishi, like the associates of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You know Raghunath Das Goswami? Her wife was so much beautiful. At that time in whole world. Vishnu Priyaji. But he left at once. Vishnu Priya, no. Raghunath Das Goswami. He left his wife. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All associates did like so. You know Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur? He was in Vrindavan. His guru told that you should go to your wife and take permission. And you should come here in Vrindavan. And then you should do bhajan. To carry order of his Gurudev, he went. And his wife came in a very solitary room. They were sitting. Whole night Krishna Katha was going on. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur was telling. So beautiful, sweet pastimes of Krishna. Whole night gone. And then he came to again Vrindavan. He asked her wife that, may I go to do bhajan? Yes, you can go. No charm at all. So, Vaishnavas are like this. If anything charming in this world, how he can have charm towards Krishna? We will have to cut down all these things. Vaishnavas, like very
sharp soul.
sharp sword, they cut all these things.
35 मिनट हो गए।
हैं?
35 मिनट हो गए।
अच्छा स्वर्ग अमृषात धामना श्रेणी निरस्त कोकम. This Krishna, creator of this, he creates. He enters in this world like Paramatma, everywhere. Like Brahma, he is all over world. But he has manifested so many, like Ram, Baradev, Nrsimhadev, so many incarnations. But still, he, with his power, Srimati Radhika and Gops and Gopis, always with a very beautiful Natavar Shyam Sundar Roop, having his float on his lips, very beautiful. He always lives in Golok Vrindavan Dham. So I am praying, Satyam Parama Dhimai. He has told in next slok, I will explain further. You should do any kirtan. And after that, one kirtan.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
In short, I want to tell that in Gita, it has been told in the last slok, Sarva Dharman, not last slok, but last instruction. Sarva Dharman Parityajya, Mam Ekam Saranam Vraja, Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayishyami Mahashucha. Perhaps all you know the meaning of this slok. Given about all the dharmas, really they are not dharma, outwardly dharma of sarir, this body and mind. You should take shelter, offer yourself in the lotus feet of Krishna. That is Saranagati. And this is called in Gita best thing, to surrender. This Saranagati has been told topmost in Gita. But in second slok of Srimad Bhagavat, see what is written. Dharma projyata kaitavo attar paramo nirma saranang sadang vedyam vastam atra vastu shivadam tapatrayonumolanam Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni krite kimba pareirishvara Shaddo hridya varudhyate kritivi sushuvi tatkhanat. In this slok, in brief I am telling that it has been told that if anyone give him all the dharmas, same like in Gita has been told. Give him all the dharmas. Only here Srimad Bhagavatam, Paramasatya. What is Paramasatya? Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is, Krishna is Paramasatya. His Shakti Srimati Radha is Paramasatya. So, only hearing the pastimes of Krishna, that is Srimad Bhagavatam. Here is Srimad Bhagavatam. If anyone have heard whole slokas, whole book, otherwise he has not read all the slok, only one slok, only half a slok, even half a slok he has heard, even 1/4 of a slok, even if anyone has heard, and he is very eagerly and honorably hearing, then Srimad Bhagavat, Sukadeva Goswami, himself Krishna, are telling that anyone reading or hearing, here Susubhi means very honorably hearing, then Krishna certainly must come in their heart forever. Tatkanat, not after long time.
At once, immediate.
Immediately he has begun hearing and Krishna will come. Undoubtedly this truth is here. Anyone hears with honor to serve Radha and Krishna, serving this slok, then at once Krishna will come and he will be captured in that heart forever. Compare the two sloks. There Mahasucha, only Sharanagati is there. But here, by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, from bona fide Guru or Vaishnava, Krishna must come in heart forever. What slok you prefer more? What? You want to keep Krishna here? Or only Sharanagati that Krishna will tell that I will give up
Like all your
Take away your
sins.
sins.
everything. No. If any man is sinful, he has so many anartha, but he has honor to hear Srimad Bhagavatam, and hearing with honor, Krishna will come at once, no delay at once. Not a minute, Krishna will come. Krishna has given this assurance. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami, Narad Goswami, Vyas, and all others. So this is more better thing, more better. What is the meaning of that? Krishna will be controlled here, he will manifest here, and he will be like in prison here. Devotion will be there. That Gopi Prem will come, Braj Prem will come in our heart. If there is no Braj Prem, Krishna will not come here. So it indicates Braj Prem. That if anyone hear this with honor, he may be nonsense stupid anything. Like
Billa Mangala.
so many were like that. But if there is honor, a little bit honor for Srimad Bhagavatam hearing, it will. Krishna will go through their ears here and he will see it forever. So believe in Srimad Bhagavatam. And hear this like Parikshit Maharaj or all devotees. Take it to true, more than true. Today, Gaur Premanande. I am happy to see so many devotees, new devotees are coming.
Because it is new Braj, so new devotees.
Surely it is new Braja. I think that we will remember forever, and all devotees will remember our this gathering, assembly.
Harikatha.
It will be a history forever. That from all corner of world, devotees have come to hear Harikatha here. And I am giving so much dhanyavad, thanks to the devotees of Bejar that they have called me here and called so many devotees here. Gaur Pramanande. Now we should do Aarti.